Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about LV Stride breast pump? If yes, then watch this video. This will help you to decide either you should use this product or not. So let's check out the details. LV Stride pump was developed to keep in mind today's working schedule and lifestyle. Like nowadays, people are extremely busy with their hectic schedule, and being a new mother means having lots of responsibility. However, now you can save some of your time with this upgraded LV Stride breast pump that allows you to walk by keeping your hands free and your clothing on. Like how it works on an internal rechargeable battery and comes with two modes and 20 intensity setting. Moreover, this pump is built with noise reduction technology and it sounds blend with other background noises for actual pumping discretion. Like you can wear this pump under your clothing and walk around freehand. The app controls this pump and it also keeps track of your pumping history. It is innovative equipment, so you do not need to pump harder. Furthermore, you can use the stimulation and expression as per your preference, efficiency and comfort. The specification of LV Stride breast pump are: it comes with multiple attachments. It includes instruction manual. It cost is about $249. A mobile app can control this. Its capacity per cup is 5 ounce. It comes with 2 years of pump mechanism and 90 days on component warranty. The positive feature of this pump are: it is portable and easy to use. There is LV Stride pump reviews published on internet. It runs on internal rechargeable battery. It is used for both side and double pumping. It is BPA free. Its suction strength is 270 millimeter. It has 20 intensity setting with two modes. It is dishwasher safe. You can get also insurance on this upgrade breast pump. The negative feature of the product are: the upgrade insurance version does not cover all the damages that it comes with some terms and conditions. This product is only available in United States. So question is LV Stride pump legit or a scam? So according to the latest details, LV Stride pump has launched recently in e-commerce market to make a purchase. Thus, we are checking out the details. We found that customers have shared their reviews. It was actually registered on 23rd December 1999 and it will valid till 23rd December 2021. The product is available on multiple portals. The brand has verified and active social media pages. It has 96% trust score. We can say that the product has managed to gain tons of reviews from the customer. People seems excited to order this breast pump and have posted their reviews on different platforms. Moreover, on their official Instagram page of the brand, people have also requested to post a comparison between LV Stride pump and other breast pump. On the other hand, we have received mixed reviews from reliable feedback portal like Trustpilot about the brand and the product. People have shared their experience and said this pump leaks depending on body position. They have not received any help from LV regarding their pump leaking issue. While others said the brand has excellent customer service, they are pleased with the purchase. So we have shared all the details thoroughly regarding this product. So we come to the conclusion that this electric breast pump is legit and the interested shopper can try it, but still we recommend all of you to check out the reviews and make your own thorough research on this product and then take your final decision. And if you have a personal experience of using this product, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.